and works as a professor at the University of Jordan. Shannon has authored over 52 books, including novels like Other Way, short story collection like Childbirth of Thirst. She has won more than 60 awards, including Peace Star Award, Sarja Award for Arab creativity. She serves as a journalist and columnist for Arab newspaper in Jordan, Qatar, and Australia. Shannon is also noted playwright with several of her plays performed and awarded in Arab theatre festivals. She has represented Jordan in academic and cultural events in India, Turkey, USA, Algeria, Thailand, Italy, and more. Now I am going to discuss about the introduction of my research paper. This research is an analytical study of her short story collection titled Akadib Bahar, Light at the Sea. The collection rich in imagery, symbolism, and emotional depth. And I would like to give the brief discovery of it. The island fearing the sea. This suggests that even nature has its own fear, symbolizing vulnerability and the fear of being overwhelmed by greater forces. No one perishes without knowing the sea. This line emphasizes the importance of understanding one's environment and the deeper truths about life and relationship before committing. The season retreat of the word I love you. This reflects the disillusionment and bitterness that can arise from love, with the idea that love itself can become something difficult and unpleasant when it is treated by past hearts or untruths. A lover not sending 1,000 love letters. This line indicates the emotional distance and unexpressed desire where communication is lacking or incomplete, further deepening the disconnect between the characters. The parallel loves sorrow. The parallel has symbol of beauty or desire is intertwined with sadness, suggesting that beauty and sorrow are often inseparable, particularly in the pursuit of unattainable or flawed desires. The final message of the story is a profound realization about the nature of truth and deception. The self as part of nature do not feature ideal for analytical and academic engagement. The stories serve as a mirror to Arab society, presenting issues related to displacement, dreams, gender roles, and societal contradiction in a nuanced manner. Sana Shannon employs an imaginative and metaphorical style that challenges conventional narrative forms and simulate deeper thought. This work reflects the evolving nature of modern Arabic fiction, particularly the short story genre, and deserves critical attention during academic discourse. As a student of Arabic literature, I have drawn to text to provoke reflection on human experience through creative expression, and this collection resonated deeply with me. A Taste of Land collection of short stories and analytical studies. Taste of Land, it's a short story collection, has been dated by notable writer Sana Shannon. It contains 16 short story collections. Within this, I have chosen the second topic, Akazibul Bahar, or the lies of the sea, as my topic. Next slide, please. Secondly, at first I want to showcase the foundation of my studies. Firstly, I have divided my main topic into three topics: introduction, summary, and literary analysis. In introduction, I have discussed about author, research introduction.